So, hello everyone, welcome to our weekly overview update sponsored by the SwissQuote Bank. So, tonight, we'll see about our main pairs GBP USD, sorry, US30 gold, oil, euro dollar, GBP USD, and GBP JPY. As you can see already, the GBP JPY on the 4-hour chart, it's moving up. Also wick down, moving wick more up and wick up. Now, if it opens for the next 4 hours, this is the 4-hour candle. It made the wick up, but here, هون هو عم بحافظ, making sure that we keep having the low, higher low, higher low with higher highs. So at this level, we can start having the buy around 1.6910. Stop loss should be the low of the same candle or the previous candle, 168.10, or the low of the same candle if now it moves down in the 4-hour and then start to push up back. 169.20 TP1 scalp, 169.86 TP2, 170.90 TP3, and 171.70 the TP4. اوكي هون انتم بتحطون على ذوقكم كمان اكثر واكثر. بتلاحظوا مثلا هون بتطلعوا بتلاقوا عندكم the first resistance here for the TP2. You will have the second resistance here. You will have the third one here. If you check on the daily basis, you have almost kind of a clean traffic. It's important also the next 4 hour. If we wait the close of the market, إذا بننطر تسكيرة المارket, and then we see the next day, the daily. If it opens, makes a wick down, and start to push up, breaking this, we have a clean traffic up, so it will be more safe to take it and to push up for tomorrow. And tomorrow we have to follow the news, as you can see at some point, to see the volatility. Why? Because it's really bad to trade while there's high volatility. For example, imagine you are taking a buy on the GBP USD, and after a few minutes, like to tomorrow at 11 a.m. Dubai time, we have the GBP, the climate count, for example, and at 3 p.m. the Bank of England governor speaking. So, taking a trade like 10:30 a.m. on GBP, a swing trade, it's like being a little crazy. Why? Because you are counting on luck. عم تتكلوا على الحظ بهذا الموضوع. So if the news come good and you have a buy, so you will be profitable. And if it comes bad, it will hit your stop loss. That's why you wait until the news done, and then you can see the direction of the market, and then you can predict how to trade. Also, we have the CPI at 5:30 p.m. on the US dollar. So we will encounter a big move on the dollars and the dollars pair. رح يكون عندنا حركة قوية على الدولار والدولار pair. So trading, for example, on these before the CPI for a swing trade and getting stuck in it during the day will be like a crazy things that any trader can do. You have to see what will happen before. So you have to be careful, guys. Also, the next day, the CPI yearly on هذا be careful. We have the FOMC on Wednesday. You have it all. So for the GBP JPY, we have to wait to see when it goes, and the sell will be the same because we have to break this area until we see a sell or buy. Hala, we can resume during the day checking. For example, if yesterday, if tomorrow or the next 4 hours it opens, makes a wick down. Let's say here it makes a wick down, or it closes here, and then next candle 4-hour open makes a wick up and start to push down. Also, you can start selling at 1.6807. We have a clean traffic down. We have to see. But the big sell is always here, breaking this support, ending up all this request, and then we will see how it will work. Daily it's pushing up. Next daily to tomorrow, it will be interesting. As you can see also, the CCI and percentage R daily are getting more and more up. we have to wait to see if it will open tomorrow, then start to push down as a wick down formation, also as a retracement for the 4 hours, and then it start to push up. If it opens and directly push up, it's a missed trade. US 30, the Dow Jones. Dow Jones, as you saw today, it took the TP1, maybe TP2 also, I think TP1, I will check, and then it start to push up again, making a rejection. So indirectly, having this, guys, look at this rejection candle. So it's obvious to see what can happen. This rejection candle will simply give us the buy, and you have to be, as a trader, be able to move with the trend, with the market, not being stuck on one idea. يعني ما تضلكم علقانين بايديا واحده. For example, on the US 30, as you can see here, big rejection of the trend, high, lower, high, lower, high, lower, high, lower, high, and then reversal. Then the next candle, it opened, made a wick down, and start to push up on the 4-hour candle. So as a swing trade for the Dow, it's a buy at 33,564, pushing all the way up. So it was amazing rejection, pushing up all the way. Now we go for the daily. As you can see, this rejection on the daily. Now again, we have the support, the same support that broke today. This is the same entry for the sell tomorrow if it start to push down. But what I can see here, that you are approaching more for the buy option. So the sell will be the same like the weekly overview. Same, السell رح بتكون هي ذاتها تبع weekly overview, and the buy will be the same, because most of probably, if it opens, makes a wick down and start to push up, breaking this 33,940, it should resume up with a clean traffic, and the CPI tomorrow might help a lot. Okay, the CPI might help a lot. Okay, then we go to gold. As you can see, gold still preparing on the 4 hours, like kind of a double top. As we see the divergence here, we have a low, higher low, high, lower high. It's still preparing a reversal. Today, no big move for gold. Of course, tomorrow it will have a big move on the CPI. Should have it. So we wait after it. Here we have a double top potential formation. We stick to the same cell, 1763. And we same by 1813, like the table I already sent on M&S. يعني مثل التيبل بنضلنا ماشيين نفس الشيء. Nothing changed for today. No big change, to be honest, in all the pairs يعني. And we have to see tomorrow. If it opens, makes a wick up, and poof, it will move down, or it will open and push up. Okay. So we are still the same. No big deal today. The market did not move a lot today. ما تحرك كتير market اليوم, because starting tomorrow till Friday, the market will be volatile with news. That's why it's a rest day today, Monday, because people and they are skeptic. They are not really convinced of taking a lot of trades today. It might be risky for them, especially swingers. So the market is low volatility today based on what will happen in the next 4 days. Now, euro dollar also the same. No big moves again. The euro, as you can see, it hit the لاحظوا. Every time so far, the euro is hitting the big weekly trend line, which is here. Today also was a good sniper entry for the euro, 105.84, and then pop, it went down to 105.24. Like 60 pips moved down in the last 6 hours. Why? Because it's simply hit again the trend line, the weekly trend line, which is the resistance. First Friday, it hit it and moved down. Second, today, it hit it again and moved down. And this is important, guys, for people trading on the trend. So we are still waiting to have the buy if it breaks up, or to have the sell if it breaks down for a potential double top on the daily chart. Okay, we might still have the potential sell on the daily chart. So also the sell will be the same, the buy will be the same, nothing changed really. Nothing, and no, this is one of the weeks that we don't have real updates during the weekly overview, to be honest. Yes. As long as it hits this weekly trend, look, this is the weekly trend, as you can see, مثل ما شايفينه. This is the weekly bearish trend line. It's respecting this trend line so far. Even we have CCI and percentage R weekly يعني oversold, overbought. So we might start seeing a certain, if nothing happen, يعني nothing big for the US dollar happen, we might start seeing, especially by breaking this sell 1.0440, the big move down for the euro, the resume of the move down after retracing up. It's very nice. The only thing that can make euro go up a lot, goes up a lot, it's having massive weakness in the US dollar. And as you can see here, on when it will be, it will be on Thursday, 15 December. Main referencing rate, they are expecting also to increase at 0.5% in Europe, and the monetary policy statement 5:15 Dubai time. So it will be very interesting for the euro, this move. So we have Wednesday the US dollar, and then a Thursday the euro. Very volatile week, unpredictable week, to be honest. Unpredictable week. Okay, here we go to the GBP USD. Also, the GBP USD still working on the bullish trend. Today, also, it hit the bullish trend and moved up, and then it's retracing down. Imagine, guys, because the market, there's no news, it's purely working technically. It started here, Monday, it moved down. Look, this was here on Friday. Monday, it moved down today, hit this trend line, the bullish trend line, and it reversed. The buy started 1.2240, and even at this 1.2220 hit 1.2290, and then retracing now again. So it was today for the euro and GBP USD was a good sell and buy trade. Sell for the euro, buy for the Dow, for the GBP USD, based on the trend line only based on the trend line. And of course, if you want price action, if you want to make it more safe. What do you expect? I'm still having the same buy, still having the same sell for the double top. If it moves for the daily double top, if it start to move down, and especially after the news, or if it resumes the move up, إذا كمل بالطلعة after the news, so it can resume up. Okay. US oil. Also the US oil, even the oil, guys, حتى أنت يا بلوتوس, even the oil, no sell, no buy, still ranging. CCI percentage R, as we said, divergence, and it's getting ready to break. Percentage R started to break up. CCI, if it breaks up also with a wick down and then pushing up, then it will be the push up for the oil to push further up. But all these technicals, يعني, we will see based on what happened with the news to see if it will resume down or it will go up. The beauty of technical that it contains what will happen with the news. يعني بتقدر تستوعب وتمشي مع شو بده يصير بالنيوز. Okay. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. Actually, it's a fast session today. No big update, nothing in the market, still the same almost. The most important part, to be careful. The most important part is to be careful tomorrow, especially when it comes to the news. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we have a big volatile 3 days. So be careful, protect yourself, never trade without a stop loss and considerable stop loss. And best of luck. If you want to trade, you trade after the news. Don't trade during the news. So to see the momentum or where it's going, where the market is going based on the news, and you can trade. Don't trade the news by itself, because you might make money, like jackpot. Like if you are going to Vegas, to the casino, you might make money and it will be nice. But at the same time, if it didn't work, you might lose a lot of money. So be careful and best of luck, guys.